Hi, how's it going? So I can't have myself in front of a blooming microphone, for God's sake. Well, anyway, let's get into the topic of today's video. And this topic is a very unusual topic on my channel. Because it is GarageBand for iOS, and I know that some of my viewers might have been waiting for this. Today's a very simple tutorial, although hopefully it will be helpful. It is about GarageBand for iOS's sound library. It is where you can download free sound packs to add to your GarageBand instruments and Apple loops. Well, let's dive in.
Speech on. Translate. Voice BB. Page 1. GarageBand. Activate.
So I'm just
Default.
gonna open GarageBand.
Landscape. Live. My.
Yeah, so I have an empty song already in progress. I meant to record into this, but I can use it for this video. So I'm gonna
Guitar. Button.
scroll through all these instruments.
Swipe. 8 of 11. 9. 10 of 11 of 11. Sound library. Selected. Track. Sound.
Yeah, it's a sound library, so I'm gonna click on that.
Manage packs.
Yeah, so as I said before, the sound library is where you can download free sound packs to your device, and these include Apple loops, sound effects, and instruments to add to GarageBand. And there's also effects as well, like Tone Collection. That's one of the sound packs. That comes with about 23 guitar amp sounds. So, there's a sound pack what I first downloaded.
Chinese
called
traditional.
Keyboard Collection.
Touch instrument
That's one of the
pack.
first
Button. Rock drummers. Key vision and keyboard.
Yeah, it's a keyboard collection, so I'm going to click on that.
Downloaded.
Yeah, so downloaded. Yeah, so now let's listen to the description with voiceover.
Keyboard description. Keyboards have always been a classic songwriting tool. This collection delivers a world-class set of pianos, organs, electric pianos, synths and more, all expertly engineered to be instantly playable and inspirational. In addition to instruments, choose from a diverse set of over 150 software instrument loops. Use these in your song, or edit and customize the individual notes and sounds in the loops to make them entirely your own.
Yes, so that description, what you just heard, it does sound good. So let's listen to the content.
Bullet 57 keyboard instruments. Bullet over 150 Apple loops.
So that sounds good as well. So let's listen to a preview of this.
Description. Keyboard delete. Preview.
Yeah, so I'm going to turn the speech off.
Speech off.
Yeah, now I'm going to click on preview.
Preview.
Yes, so that one sounds quite good. That one's already downloaded, although if you haven't downloaded that yet, all you have to do is just tap get, and then that's it. It's downloaded to your device. It's easy and free. It doesn't cost a penny. So now I'm going to...
Sound.
So now I'm going to...
Manage sound. Vision and verse. Button.
Vision and Verse, I think that's one of the latest sound packs.
Keyboard. Electronic drummers. Skyline Heat. Song.
Skyline Heat, that's one of my favourites, so let's click on that.
Downloaded. Preview. Delete.
Yeah, so...
Hip hop pack.
Yeah, so this is a hip hop pack, so let's listen to the description.
Description. Elevate your tracks with a diverse drop of hip-hop sounds inspired by multi-platinum hit makers and groundbreaking beat makers. Kickstart your productions with a collection of twisted vocal samples, bouncing bass lines, precision trap drums and hazy, atmospheric synths. Or build your own beats from scratch with all new drum kits featuring thunderous kicks, crisp snares and sizzling hi-hats.
Yeah, so let's listen to the content.
Bullet over 350 Apple loops, Bullet 6 drum kits, Bullet 2 live loop grids.
Yes, so that sounds good.
Download preview, delete preview button.
Yeah, so let's listen to a preview of some of the songs that can be made out of this sound pack.
Speech off.
Yeah,
Speech
so
on.
that sounds pretty cool. So now I'm going
Sound.
to return to my sound library.
Manage. Key. Songwriter drummer. Prismatica. Downloaded button.
Yeah, so Prismatica. That's also one I use regularly, so I'll click on that.
Downloaded. Preview. Delete. New description. New disco.
Yeah, it's a new disco pack. So let's listen to the description.
Get the dance floor moving with a kaleidoscope of sounds inspired by new disco and French house. A collection of Apple loops delivers driving beats, retro-sounding synths, funky guitars, and a variety of grooving synth and electric basses that pay homage to 70s classics while sounding fresh today. And new beat sequencer kits combine modern drum sounds with throwback percussion and effects from the golden age of disco.
Yeah, so let's listen to the content.
Bullet over 250 Apple loops, Bullet 3 drum kits, Bullet 2 live loop grids.
Yeah, so that sounds good. So lastly, we're going to preview it.
Download Prismatica. Preview button. Speech off.
Yeah, so preview. Right, I could go on with this all day. Although, as I said, these sound packs, they are great, and any of them you like, any descriptions, any sounds you like, just hit get, or if you've already downloaded it, that's even better. So I'm going to return to my sound library.
Sound. Manage packs.
Yes. So that's just a basic tutorial on the sound library in GarageBand. There is more to discover, but I'll let you discover that on your own, or I'll just put tutorials on the separate sound packs later in this series. Well, then that's it for today's video. Just thought I'd show you just the basics of the sound library. Also, if you click
Manage packs button,
that brings up a menu.
Sound library back. Edit button. Sound library.
Yeah, so this is a quick and easy way to sort of manage your packs. I don't use this very often, but it depends on you. So it's like
sound pack, edges, bass, vintage, keyboard, R&B, Chromie, Prismatic, Transit, Percussion, Flex and Flow,
yes, this is,
Chill Hip Hop Pack, Delete.
Yeah, so this gives me a list of all these.
Songwriter, Skyline, Tone Collection, Beat Sequencer Kits, Gazadra Latina, Vision and Ver, Electronic Drum, Rock Drummers, Chinese Tradition, Get button.
Yeah, then there's like Chinese traditional and that's what I don't use. But there's a get button next to it, and when you click that, that immediately downloads it, so you can get them from the Manage Packs browser, although I prefer to just click on the sound packs, then click get. So I'm going to return
Manage sound library. Back sound
library.
manage pack.
Okay. Well, that's definitely it for today's video. And I will, as I said, give you tutorials on the separate sound packs later in this GarageBand for iOS series. As I always say, well, like, comment and subscribe as you please. It would be nice if you shared my videos, or even better, my channel with friends and family. Also, commenting would be really appreciated because it really gets my channel popular. Also, if you subscribe and hit the bell notification, you will be notified when I upload videos like this. Well, see you later. Thanks for watching. Bye.